Hey David, here you go. Here's a video of the truck that you saw. He informed me that you wanted pearl white, but I just wanted you to send a quick video of how it looks. It has the trifold back, the handlebars. This one is Quicksilver. So this is the new interior as well. And let me show you that. And let me go show you the other side so I can turn it on for you. This is beautiful. Running boards, 5.3, leather seats. Here we go. Let me start it up. The GM logo. You got the bigger screen pop up to size. You got the shifter down there. Okay. Stay in demo. There you go. So here we go. You got the display, digital display, and you have that. You got wood accents. Plug in, charger, Bose, wood accents on that side as well. Here you go. Give you an idea how it looks.